with all that said, I think I'm going to go ahead and put this big old breather. That's an Edelbrock too. I've got that one, but I've also got this one. I'm going to put one of these breathers on this thing to keep dirt and dust from getting down in there. And yeah, and do that. Let me put y'all over here. That'll work. That'll work. Oh, and I can go ahead and put my exhaust manifolds on here too. That'll work too. Alright, why don't we do that? Let's put the exhaust manifolds on it, and that'll, by the time I finish with that, I'll feel like I've done something today. It also gives me a measurement that I can use to measure the distance between these pipes, and then go out there and measure the rat rod to decide whether these pipes are going to fit it or not. Oh, no. Okay, the other thing I'm going to do is go ahead and put the turn down pipes here. And then I have something to connect that to the exhaust with when I get ready to do that. Okay, so